Good morning everyone, my name is Ray Miliada at kayo po ay nanonood nitong update ng River Lane Trail dito po sa mid-class project ng Antel Group of Companies. Well, for today's video, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo ang location at ang mga kalapit na bayan or lugar dito po sa River Lane Trail. Actually po, this project is just 4 hectares lang po ito with 191 units and the location is in Barangay Tapia in General Trias, Cavite. At kung manggagaling kayo ng Manila, ang location na ito guys is just 45 minutes driving away via Cavitex. And then take po kayo ng Governor Ferrer Drive. Anyway guys, my name is Ray Miliada at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe para mas updated po tayo dito po sa project ng Antel Grand Village or Antel Group of Companies. Anyway, nasa mid-class project po tayo ng Antel Group of Companies. This is the River Lane Trail, which is available po ito through bank financing, Pag-ibig, and deferred payment. So, ang location natin, Barangay Tapia, General Trias, Cavite. So, actually po, the project is almost sold out, guys. Konti na lang pong available natin. So, we have Riley model, we have Lila model, and we have Amara model. For our Amara model unit, we have 16 model houses available, and for the Riley model, 6 units available, and for the Lila model, 6 units available. Guys, the location is very nice because along the highway. So nakikita niyo naman po. Alam niyo ang katabi nating mga developer naman po ay nandiyan yung Ayala Land, no, yung sa tapat nito. At ang katabi naman din nito is the Lancaster New City, which is dito sa area na ito guys is napakadami talagang mga project development, no, na mga player po ng mga real estate development. At ang goal naman talaga nila is para magkaroon po ng magandang bahay ang lahat ng mga Filipino. Well, ang pinapakita ko naman sa inyo ngayon is our location, no? What is the advantage and what are the advantages kapag dito po naman kayo sa River Lane Trail. Actually po, kinuhaan ko to siya pahapon na. So makikita niyo po, syudad na po talaga atong area na. Alright, so nakikita niyo po, no, yung pagkakadikit nitong project natin, which is the River Lane Trail sa pinaka main highway ng Governor Ferrer Drive. Ayan po, napakalit lang po ng ating project na ito. At mayroon po itong clubhouse, may fence, may guard, may basketball court. Since this is a mid-class project, ang wala lang po dito guys is the swimming pool and then children's park and playground. I think may mga open space po yan sa likod. At yun po yung mga easement na which is ila-landscape po yan siya ng atin pong developer. Well, this is a very nice subdivision which napaka-secured and of course napakaganda ng property value mo, lalo na the project is along the highway. Ito pong mga nakikita nyo pong maraming ilaw, yan po is the Lancaster New City, napakadami, no? So anyway, magkakatabi-tabi lang po ang mga project dito po sa paligid po, lalo na dito sa Cavite. And alam niyo ba ang pinaka gold mine na po ngayon nito guys is because of the location, no? Napakalapit, very close. The project is very close to Manila, and of course the Sangli International Airport and Cavite Laguna Expressway, which is na actually guys, dito po sa likod ng Riverline Trail, dito po yung kadikit naman ng kalsada ng Open Canal going to the Anghari, Alabang, kasi magko-connect po ang mga kalsada na yan guys going to Anyana, no? So ang project mo natin, so we have the Antel Grand Village, Anyana, Grand Centennial Homes, and this River Lane Trail. At pinaka good news guys, kasi mag-opening nga po ang mid-class project naman ng Antel in Naik, Cavite. That is very exciting, no? Na project natin, at alam natin magkakaroon po lalo na investment, no? If you are looking for a real estate investment, kasi talagang magmamahal ang property value. So isipin mo na lang na naguhulog ka ng iyong pera sa bangko, pero ang binili mo is a property. Mas maganda po mag-invest ng real estate and properties, lalo na sa magagandang developers, kasi po mabibenta nyo po yung inyo pong property ng mas mahal in the near future. And of course, makikita nyo po yung inyo pong surroundings, kung how the developer develop, no, nung inyo pong or improve ng inyo pong pinaka-community or pinaka-subdivision. Continue watching. So, or if you are interested with the River Lane Trail project, guys, message na kayo dahil mayroon pa pong available ito na napaka-konti na lang guys, kasi we will have turnover na this year. So nakikita nyo po yung mga bahay na nakatayo, so ito turnover na po siya this